Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? So my name is Faith, and I am the Community and Program Manager at Reispar Technologies. So today we are going to be discussing the predictive analysis for investment. And yeah, this is our weekly edu series where we get to teach people and understand how AI can affect finance. And today we are going to be discussing the predictive analysis for investment. So now today, what is predictive analysis? I know you've heard it so many times, or maybe while you were reading a book, you came across it, and I'd like us to understand what is it before we move into why we have to use the investment, the types of predictive analysis that we have. So the predictive analysis is the use of data, statistical algorithm, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcome based on historical data. So definitely in investment, predictive analysis can be used to forecast market trends, predict stock prices, and identify investment opportunity. So for instance, you want to invest in maybe some stocks, you can use predictive analysis to check if in the next few years you are still going to be earning the same amount you're earning, or you're going to lose, or definitely you're going to be earning and higher income from your investment. So now let's talk about why you have to use predictive analysis in investment. So predictive analysis can provide investors with a competitive edge by identifying potential risks and opportunities in the market. So by analyzing large amounts of data, predictive analysis can help investors to make more informed decision and help them to make an overall decisions. Now let's talk about the types. How do we get to you know use this predictive analysis? The first of them all is the data collection and preparation, data sources, data cleaning and processing, pre-processing, and the future selection. So data collection, as name implies, is as simple as so. Data collections and preparation is a very crucial step in predictive analysis for investment. So the quality and quantity of data used in the modeling process can significantly impact the accuracy and reliability of the prediction. Now, what are data sources? It is very essential in identifying the relevant data sources and also to ensure that your data is accurate, complete, and up to date. So, what is data cleaning and pre-processing? So, data cleaning and pre-processing, it has to involve identifying, correcting errors, removing irrelevant data, and transforming data into a format suitable for analysis. And this is where Reispar Technology comes in. We can help you clean your data, and most importantly, we can teach you. We can help you and show you the way how to clean your data, how to remove irrelevant data, how to correct your errors, and transform data into a format that is suitable for your analysis. So, irrespective of what you are doing, every organization has a data, their customer data, their bank details data, and everything. So this is what we do. We teach you the way you can do it, and I'd advise you to take a course on um, business intelligence where you'll be getting this, or you can take our 9 weeks course on the data analysis where you get in depth of all these things. So now let's move on to the future selection. So future selection involves identifying the most relevant variables or futures that can impact the investment outcome. These steps help to reduce the complexity of the model and improve its accuracy. Now, we have different types of these predictive modeling techniques. We have the regression analysis, we have the decision trees, and we have the neural network. So the regression analysis is just a statistical techniques used to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. So we have the decision trees. So these decision trees are types of machine learning algorithm, and they are used for predictive modeling. So these decision trees are commonly used in investment analysis to predict market trends and identify investment opportunities. We also have the neural network, types of machine learning algorithm that are modeled after the structure of the human brain. So they can be used for predictive modeling in investment analysis to identify patterns and relationship in large data sets, neural network, and they are particularly useful for analyzing complex and financial data such as stock prices and market trends. So now let us move to the model validation and selection. So like our graph here simplifies, we have the cross validation, we have the AIC and the BIC, we have the receiver operating characteristic, which is the ROC curve. So now the cross validation is a technique it's a technique that is used to assess the performance of a predictive model. So in this technology, the available data is divided into subsets and or folds. So the model is trained into one fold and tested on the remaining folds. So the process is repeated for all possible combinations of training and training sets. So the results are then averaged to get an estimate of the model performance. I think that's clear enough. So let's move to the AIC and the BIC. So AIC means the IKK information criterion, and the BIC means the Bayesian information criterion. So these two are used to compare the performance of different models. These criteria takes into account both the goodness of fit and the complexity of the model. A lower AIC or BIC value indicates a better model. So now to the ROC, the receiver operating characteristic curve. So the receiver operating characteristic curve is used to evaluate the performance of binary classification models. So it plots the true positivity rate, the sensitivity against the false positive rate. That is one minus the specialty or the specificity. So for different classification of these three modes, a good model must have a ROC curve that is close to the upper left cover. Can you see upper left corner of the plot indicating a high sensitivity and low false positive rate. Now we have the risk management, the portfolio optimization and market analysis. So now this the risk management, as the name implies, it can be used to analyze historical data and market trends. So historical data like the data you've been having previously and market trends. So the predictive models can help investors make informed decisions about where to allocate their funds and which assets to avoid. So you look at, okay, these assets that I have, if I invest in this, would I be making my money back or would I be making loss? So the same way goes to the portfolio optimization. So the predictive analysis can also be used to optimize investment portfolios. So what you do is that you have to analyze data on the asset performance and market trend. So predictive models can help investors determine the optimal mix of assets to achieve their desired return while minimizing the risk. Do you get? You help them to achieve their desired returns while you're maximizing the risk. Now to the market analysis. Predictive analysis can also be used to analyze market trends and identify investment opportunities by analyzing data on consumer behaviors, economic indicators, and other factors. So these predictive models help investors, like I said earlier, to make informed decisions about which assets to invest in and not. So now to the future of predictive analysis. The future of predictive analysis in investment. Predictive analysis will continue to play a crucial role in investment strategies, enabling investors to make data-driven decisions and stay ahead of the curve. So now, earlier on we were talking about data collection and preparation. So now let's talk about the importance of this particular data collection and preparation. First of all, data collection and preparation are critical components of accurate and reliable predictive analysis in investment. So without proper data predictive models, it can be inaccurate and lead to poor investment decisions. And if we make poor investment decisions, there's every possibility that everything we pay our money to, everything we invest to, might not yield the income that we desire. So, thank you so much for following through. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section, or you can also reach out to our team. You want to learn more on data masteries, data analysis, SQL mastery, business intelligence. We are here for you. So, for more inquiries, feel free to ask questions. Thank you so much for joining.